Wire. A bit like a bumder. Fuck off. I literally don't get a minute off, do I?
No.
You and that thing.
I thought that's why you said you were coming, so I thought I'd be ready for you.
Oh, brilliant. Hey, look what I did get. These are the cups. You know, the spring cups.
Well, at least we can start the suspension.
No, we can't. So we're still waiting for the bushes for the front tyre arms. So we can't do the front suspension until we've got that. Can't do the back suspension until the bump stops at the top come. We've got the bottom bits, but we need the top bits.
So there's no rush then?
Well, I don't know. We might have to give Darren a call and just see.
I'm going back to bed. What's this anyway, new jacket?
No, I've had this ages, mate. I'm losing weight doing this job. That you would believe it, but I am. Right, come on then. Are you putting kettle on?
Yeah, got brew.
Yeah, go on.
Cheeky fucker, isn't it? As you can see, camera up and down like a yo-yo. We're back in the Focus RS, back to Wrexham for the third day on the run, and I've had enough of this Wrexham lark now.
The lads at BD Performance are doing us proud, to be honest with you. They're doing a good job. RS4's still got a long way to go. This is all sorted, it's running fine. We can't really kick its head in because we've got to wait for the clutch to bed in. We're pottering around in it and tooling. The clutch feels weird, really weird. There's like nothing and then it just sort of springs up, so hopefully that changes as it beds in because it's difficult to get used to. And hopefully the RS4 gets boxed off today.
Hopefully the day's not as long. Well, we've left at 8 and we got back at 6 yesterday, so pretty long days for us because we're not used to working that long. Hopefully today's a short one.
Wire.
So we got to BD Performance and now we're going to Demon Tweaks. Right, hold on a minute.
What?
Why are we here now?
Because I wanted to come and have a look at these seats.
No, I thought we were getting that aligned.
That's not up to us to sort out. That was Darren that was boxing that off, so...
I wouldn't have bothered otherwise.
Why?
I've been here loads of times.
Well, I haven't. The only thing that I ever was able to look at, Demon Tweaks catalogue. Yeah, we used to set ourselves a budget of 10 grand for either a Corsa or a Saxo as kids. We used to sit there in our science lesson and say, right, 10 grand, what would you have on your Saxo?
Next project car.
It sounds like it's about to cut out though.
Yeah, it is.
It sounded good while it was ticking over.
Yeah.
Briefly. Looks in good nick, mate.
Look at the size of the boat.
Should we give these a lift?
Well, I'm not pushing that.
No, I mean like fixing it.
Oh, well, yeah, I didn't bring my tools with me.
Do you know what? I think we should get an American car just because they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah, look at that. That'd need its own drive. You wouldn't fit that on yours.
No, although we don't really know what it is. Comment what it is.
What is that? Yeah.
We won't ask the guys.
No.
First correct answer gets a donut. Right, so that's nearly done.
Yeah.
Have a look at some seats.
Yeah,
the
come on.
RS4.
Yeah. We can't get any wingbacks because we don't want to spend £2.5 grand on wingback seats. So we've seen some that are similar, knockoffs. Yeah, they're sound then. This is what we need. Like, how do you know they're going to fit in the car though? They'll fit in it, won't they? You just need the slidey rails.
So we're back at BD Performance. Have a look at this. 2 buckets. It should be having. It needs about 6 buckets to wash that car.
He just doesn't realise because you have to go when you get your thing out. You have to go 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 and then on the car.
Let's have a word with him. 2 buckets. Do you know this was louder than your mum last night? It's not me. It's not me saying it. It's this.
Maybe mum doesn't speak to me.
Well, it's definitely louder than your mum then.
I don't know why. How can you disown somebody like me? You know, not how much of a dickhead am I?
Right, anyway. Day 3, BD Performance. This car is done. We're going to get a trickle charge in it because the battery's on 25% and we can't do anything. Let's actually talk about what's happening today.
Oh, so the suspension's going on now?
Done.
Come have a look at this, I'll show you. Springs are in.
Oh yeah? Bit of yellow and purple. Right, so there's the KW springs in. We just need the actual dampers in.
I'm glad you said the colour because I thought it was yellow and blue. Well done. Oh, alright, George W's here.
Power flex bushes. So shit's going on without us even knowing it.
Yeah. George W's are in there.
That's a downpipe. When did they turn up?
I don't know, actually. Fucking hell, shit's just appearing.
Oh, one's in.
Oh yeah.
So these Miltex, they are, aren't they? Look at that, that looks good, that. We'll come back to that in a minute because there's only one in. It'll look better when there's 2. Is it going to pass the MLT now?
No, I mean, but it wouldn't have done before either.
Nothing at 100 quid won't sort out backhander. Well, we was going to go for lunch, but something's seized.
Your wallet, usually. That's usually been seized by your missus.
The lambda sensors is...
the what?
The lambda sensors. What are they called?
Are they lambda?
There's a D after the B.
Lambda, a bit like a bumder.
So the Lambo sensors.
Yeah, they're seized in the old downpipe, so Ben's trying to get them out.
Right, come on, persuade you to spend some money at the butty van.
Again? Come on then, gobshite. Can I help? You alright there? Enjoying yourself?
Do you know why he's so happy? We're going pizza up.
Yeah.
When we normally say like, subscribe and share and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't share any of my pizza, but you can like it if you want.
Did you like it?
Did you like yours?
Yeah, smashed it. Obviously, I left the whatever that is. I'm not eating that. I need a nap, I think. How much were they?
Have a guess. I said 30 quid each, and then he said a bit more. I said 50, and he said a bit more. So how much do you reckon?
£75 each.
85.
85 each.
And I take it you mean plus that?
Plus that. Yeah, so basically it's threaded as they put them in those poorly manufactured decap pipes that they've...
Oh yeah, that they butchered together.
Well, when the last time they've taken them out, they've taken a lot of thread off.
What's that? 170 plus that to the bill?
Look at
Nice one.
kind of like the state of it anyway.
What do you even need it for?
This one's a primary one, so irrespective if you mapped it out, these have to be working because these are the ones that actually take the reading for the engine.
That's probably what's throwing up that fault all the time. So this now should fix that. Do you know what? You know, like we normally do it, like just dicking about and stuff. Shit's getting real now.
Oh,
this
yeah.
bill's going up and up and up.
Massive.
It's had bushes and all sorts, which you guys suggested
Yeah.
we look at while it was here.
Oh, yeah.
While they were easy to do, so it's had bushes. That's why it's been so long, just like getting parts for it.
I'm going to say this, dead serious. Stop it now. Don't spend any more money on this car.
No more.
Right, so we'll turn our attention back to the Mark III RS.
Yeah.
Actually, we overspent on that by about 800 quid in the end. Flywheel and the downpipe that I didn't even want.
You got roped into it. Don't look at me. I definitely didn't say.
I just realised what you're doing here.
What?
You're telling to change all this, so
Yeah.
you're going to have a better responsive steering on the track.
Of course I am.
You've not said change anything on focus over there.
You said to me that was like perfectly set up for the track anyway. So what do you need to change? Getting some proper track-ready motorsport shit on this and the KW coilovers. So hopefully I won't be too far behind you through the bends. I'm going to be massively far behind you because that thing's...
It's still going to be a boat through the bends, this.
Doesn't translate, no.
So what would you usually say? Fuck off.
Liking that, bit
Yeah.
yellow on yellow.
Well, yeah, they go with the calipers, don't they?
Yeah, if the calipers are actually clean. We're not far off finished on this, hopefully.
Oh no, the back ones aren't on yet.
Well, I'm talking in like days finished.
Oh,
So we've
yeah,
here for
okay.
3 days. Maybe it's another day left on it. So we're not far off. We're 75% way through.
This is for Lee's wife. He has just openly said to me then, I'm going to get my clean on. Come on then, let's see it.
It's one thing I can do this.
Don't go mad. I want my brakes to work. Yeah, that's it, come on. I like that you're cleaning my car.
Well, this is the way I am for you, you see. Look after me, son.
Cheers, Pops.
Quite alright, mate. Anytime. Anything for you. So the battery's knackered on this as well. It's not holding charge. Knackered the battery on this, yeah? I think I need to stop you driving these cars. You only had this last night. You took it home from Bombay 8. See, Bombay 8, bit of a shout out. Go and see Moff and his crew.
You're eating again, you.
Banana. Very healthy.
Oh yeah?
Obviously, suspension going back on. The rears.
Get in.
It's a matter of wheels on. Back down. It's going to sit absolutely perfect.
Straight away.
And then we're out that door.
Oh really?
Ben's just going to do the lining, put the lining back in,
This
check
is-
the clutch.
People know that this is definitely a different Ben.
This is definitely a different Ben, yeah. This Ben knows actually what he's doing. My idea was, I said, do you want to put the DRC cover back on? And you point blank refused. Ben's been on it for 3 days and you won't even help him out here.
My hands are clean, mate.
That's
I'll
bad,
hold the
that.
camera and you can box it off.
Struggling there, and you won't even help him out.
I'll hold the thing and you can have a crack at it.
You're wrong. Bang out of order.
I always expect a load of backing dancers to come following him out of that office with that stupid headset on. No way. That
Yeah. What's going on? Are we supposed to wash it first a bit? I think it can go. Right there. It's ready for the cannon run next year. Whoa! What are you doing? You're scratching it all up. Get him a bucket quick.
This is what happens when the amateurs start cleaning.
We got any sponges in here?
Do you want me to cover up a couple of these dents?
We like to see them. But I can see your face in there now. Look at that.
So we have in there.
Look at his face there. He's getting well upset. Look at that.
Can't look. Sticky shit stickers on the car. I don't know, I just don't like them.
Neither do I. Can't get rid of this, can we? This was here yesterday.
Yeah, it was.
It's following us around like a bad smell.
Surprised when he drives down the road, most of the shit don't fall off it.
Actually, I shouldn't be filming this because you start revving it again. It's going to burst me.
Well
eardrums.
loud. What did he say? It got anti-lag.
I think that's what he said, yeah.
What is anti-lag?
I don't know, but it's noisy.
Is that just what stops the turbo from lagging? Why does it make it so loud?
Again, you're asking me questions. I don't know.
I've heard of it, like I have heard of anti-lag, and I've heard, don't rally cars have anti-lag? I don't know exactly what it does. I know it's a good thing. Why are you looking at me with a completely blank face? Tonight, Matthew, I am going to be
I'm going to be a mechanic. It's just like oil and shit.
In the downpipes.
Yeah, just the stuff.
Yeah, in the Miltech downpipes.
You're learning all the time on this channel.
Always learning. The only problem is, we were saying about this the other day, like if in sort of 6 months' time, we actually do then start to know what we're talking about, nobody's going to watch.
No.
Because they're watching us because we're thick as shit.
Yeah, the old girl's back to life.
I love that car so much, you know. I mean, what a 3 days that's been.
3 days in Wales. Do you think we've actually got any further on?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where we are.
I feel like
it's just been a long 3 days. This got done pretty quick. The only issue with this now is that the battery's a bit flat. We probably need to get a new battery for the Focus. But the RS4 is currently, as we speak,
getting alignment, wheel alignment, because all the subframe's been off,
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff. You've seen it on the video underneath. We don't actually know what the bill is yet, so...
No. Do you know what we could do? We'll post a bill on our Instagram. Follow us on our Instagram page, and we'll post a bill on our Instagram.
Fucking flying. So we've had the clutch, flywheel, intercooler, downpipe on this.
Yeah.
God knows how much that's going to cost on the RS4.
Clutch, downpipes, and the suspension that we bought off eBay, and that's it. We can't kick their heads in because they've had new clutches, so we've got to go steady in them, so we can't race. Look out for the bill on Instagram. Go follow us on Instagram. We need loads of followers on there.
And watch some ads. Click on some ads.
Yeah,
you know, if you've got nothing else better to
just
do.
buy some of that random shit that we put on there.
We could do with some help paying the bills on this. The biggest question we get is, what do you do for a living? Well, we don't do anything for a living. We just do this stuff now.
Yeah, we do.
So
we dick about on YouTube
every
now.
little helps.
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
Ta-ra.